How to fix. Service keeps stopping issue on MI and Android phones. Let's get started. First, go to your phone settings. Now open the About Phone section. In MIUI, you will find it by scrolling down to find Apps. Click on Apps. After that, click on Manage Apps. In the top right corner, you will see 3 dots. Click on them and select Show System Apps. Then use the search bar and type Android System Web View. Once it appears, click on the second option. Now click on Clear Data at the bottom. After that, confirm by clicking OK. Next, go back and open the search bar again, but this time type MSA and click on the second option. Here, click on Clear Data again and confirm by clicking OK. Once this is done, go back to the home page and restart your phone. This should fix the problem. However, if the problem persists, you can try another step. Go to Settings greater than Apps greater than Manage Apps again and search for the problematic app. Once found, click on it, then click on Manage Space, and finally click on Clear All Data. Confirm with Delete. Don't worry, your personal data won't be affected. After doing this, restart your phone again. This should resolve the issue, and your phone should work normally again. In my case, I had already resolved this issue before, but I thought it would be helpful to create a video on how to fix it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you found it helpful, please leave a comment saying yes or no if it didn't work for you. If you liked this video, please like it, share it with your friends who might need this solution, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if